Hi, I flew my drones at Highbanks Metro Park in Lewis Center, Ohio, near Columbus last weekend, and it's a big, beautiful park. And I'll give you a couple seconds to read the screen on the description from the website. Here's the overall map from their website, and the top half obviously is where most of the activity is. There's a nature preserve near the bottom, which I can't fly, obviously. So I called them up, the park ranger, and they said that I could take off and land from the Big Meadows picnic area, which is circled. And as long as I flew fast over roads and over trails, I was able to fly my drone around this park. And they were very nice. And, some metro parks are very strict. And I was kind of very pleasantly surprised I was able to do what I could do with my drones. So this is the area I flew my drones. And I wanted to go to the Adena Mound, the Indian Mound on the far right side, but it was just at distance. So I flew my drones in the area you see in that box, and also a little more over the Old Tangent River to the left. The Adena Mound is unfortunately out of range, so I did walk over there, hike over there with my drone in my backpack, and actually got over there and called the main office again, and I told them no one's around. Is it okay if I pull my drone out and just take a couple quick shots? And I said it very nicely, and they were very polite, and they said no, which is fine. I was kind of what I expected, and I'm just happy I was able to fly in the park to begin with. Again, they were very nice to talk to on the phone, very easygoing. This is actually where you take off and land. Rest of this video consists mostly of the top end of the park of video and iPhone pics. The very end, I actually walked over to the other side of the park where the other Indian Mound is, and also a pretty cool walking bridge. They're just iPhone pics though, because they're way outside the zone I could fly a drone.